Good morning, children. How are you? Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is plant a tree. Yes, you know how to plant a tree and why we are going to plant a tree? Yes, because it is saving our life. Yes, giving a good oxygen. Yes, to give a good oxygen we have to maintain our areas with a neat. Yes, so everyone should plant a tree. Okay, so let us move to the lesson now. Can you see the picture here? Let us discuss about that. Okay, yes, what is the picture? Can you see picture clearly? Yes. Now in this picture, what the pictures can you have seen? The two girls and the one woman, the tree, axe, and also one the person who is killing, who wanted to cut the tree. Yes, can you see? What do you see in the picture? Yes, so we can see the person trying to cut a tree. Yes, with his axe. Okay, and here one woman was hugged the tree to stop the tree from being fell down. Okay, and the two girls are telling him not to cut down the tree. Here the woman, even the two girls and the woman ready to even to sacrifice their lives to save the trees. So that can be seen in the picture. Yes, by this picture we can understand that we have to save the trees. Then shall I ask some questions? What do you like in this picture and what do you dislike from this picture? Yes, the woman and the girls preventing from his cutting down the trees. Yes, the I like, see we like here the man act as a killing the tree. Here that is a dislike, and where the other three girls, that is one the woman and the two girls are saving a tree, that is a we like. Okay, then what would happen if all the trees were cut down? Yes, can you express? Yes, if all the trees were cut down, there would be no life on earth. There would be no rains. There would be no fresh air. We don't get any fresh air, and also we don't have any trees around us, and we don't get a good air. Yes, so that's why we should not cut the trees. We have to save. How we are going to save your lives? In the same way, you have to save your trees, and everyone should plant a tree. Okay? And one more thing, how are trees helpful to everyone living on earth? Can you express, Nana? Yes, trees gives us fresh air to breathe. And more? They give us fruits, they give us vegetables, they give us furniture, they give us rubber, and they give us medicines, they give us rains and houses. Yes, what is the use of eating fruits? Yes, when you take fruit from the plants, we are going to be healthy or not? So we have to get a fruit, we have to save our trees or not? Yes, we have to save our trees to get a fruits, vegetables. Yes, to get a good rains, we have to save our trees. To get our to build our houses, to make furnitures. These all trees help us to everyone in living beings living on earth. Yes, did you understand why we are going to plant a tree? Why we are not going to cut a tree? Yes, these are the many useful things we are going to get from the trees. So that's why we should not cut the trees. So we have to save our trees. How we are going to save your lives? In the same way, you have to save your trees. And even there is no problem to plant a tree also. So from listening this lesson, everyone should plant a tree. Okay? And one more thing. What are the more useful? We have learned from the picture reading. We have learned some things, how to save our trees and how to save our lives from the trees. Yes, what are the uses? Everything we have learned. If you plant a tree, what happens? What are the things we are going to get from the trees? More we learn about that. Okay? Plant a tree. Trees are the most useful things in the world. Travelers rest in their cool shade. Children play under them. We build houses and make furniture with the wood of the trees. If there were no trees, there would be no life on earth. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and let oxygen out in the air so that we get oxygen to breathe in. Trees gives us starch, which is the most important part of our food. They give us rain. They give us rubber. Some trees have medicinal uses. Some trees live for thousands of years. A tree called General Sherman in California is said to be several thousands years old. We can say the age of a tree by counting its annual rings. If the man continues to cut down the trees, we will all die in future. So we should not cut down the trees as we did in the past. We should plant more trees. Yes, till now I have explained what are the uses of when you plant a tree. So let us learn more things about that. Okay? Now, trees are the most useful things in our world. Yes, trees are more useful in the most useful things in the world. These travelers rest in their cool shade. See, when travelers go anywhere from far away from one place to another place, so they take rest in the near the under the trees also. See, once children play under them also. Yes, we build with the help of trees. We build we build houses and make furniture with the wood of the trees. Yes. See, imagine girls, imagine boys. If there were no trees, what will happen on the earth? There would be no life on earth. Yes. Imagine if there are no trees, there will be no life on earth. So, trees breathe in oxygen. Yes, whenever we inhale oxygen, so carbon dioxide will be released by the human beings. So that carbon dioxide will be inhaled by the trees and they will be release oxygen. That oxygen will be inhaled by the human beings. So good oxygen and it is good for health, and also we get oxygen to breathe in from the trees. So we have to save the trees. So not only breathe, not only air or anything, and it is not useful for furniture only, and it is not useful for building the houses, but also tree gives us a starch, which is the most important part of our food, and also it gives a medicinal plant. It gives a plants like fruits, vegetables. Yes, medicinal uses, and it is in thousands of years ago. A General Sherman in California is said to be several thousands years old. So about tree, a tree is called. Okay, we can say the age of a tree by counting its annual rings. So you can see a down bottom of the tree we can see a rings So by that rings we can say how many years ago it was planted. The tree was planted. So by the rings we can say age of a tree also. Okay. If the man continues to cut down the trees, we will all die in future. Yes, if man cut all the trees which are around us, will be dying because we can't breathe. We don't have fruits, we don't have vegetables, we don't have medicinal plants, we don't have furniture, and we don't have any firewood, and also we don't have oxygen to breathe. The main thing is we need a breath to live. Yes, we don't have that if you cut the trees. So that's why we should not cut the trees, and we did in the whatever we should not in the past also. Yes, so we should plant more trees, and to get it is good for the health. So we can there is if there is no trees, we can, if there is no trees, we are going to be die. So that's why the life should be on the earth with the good health, and with the good nature, and with the good oxygen, and with the good wealth and health, everything. So we have to plant a tree. Understood everyone? Compulsory. Everyone should maintain or should plant a tree. Okay? Yes. And one more thing, if tree could talk, if a tree could talk, now what happens if there is a, if tree could talk, that means if tree talks, not only human beings, trees also have some feelings. Yes. So, if a tree could talk, if a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't jump in trash, throw it away. If the air could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, what would they say? They help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. Yes, so Nana, not only trees, each and every non-living thing also have some feelings. Not only human beings, everything which is staying, which is living on the earth, everything having some feelings. So we have to understand in the same way we have to maintain in that manner. So, but here we are going to read about trees. So we have learned some important things, and how to save our trees also we have learned. Here, yes, did you understand that? So not only saving the tree, today we are going to learn some feelings about trees. Not only trees, feelings about non-living things. How, if, but now we learn mainly about if a tree could talk, what happens? ఒకవేళ ట్రీ మాట్లాడితే ఏమవుతుంది? So now once again I am reading the poem. Listen carefully. If a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If the air could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, what would they say? They help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. Yes, so these are the feelings of each and every. Here the person expressed not only tree, but he expressed about tree, river, air, animals, even earth, how they are going to be feel if they talk. So what happens? What they are saying? Tree emantundi. So if trees, rivers, airs, animal and earth can talk, what happens? Yes, Nana, did you understand the poem? What I told? Here, not only tree. Here, the author expressed each and every non-living thing that here he told about tree, river, air, animals, even earth. If these can talk, what do they respond? What do they respond? What they respond, Nana? A tree requests us not to cut the trees, not to cut down the trees. Please go from here. Please, it requests us. When we go near to the trees, if you want to cut the trees, if we want to cut a tree, you'll go near to the tree with the axe. Yes. So when you go near to that, what happens? Tree feels, it seems. How tree feels? Please. You can't see the expressions and you can't see the feelings of tree because it is a non-living thing, and we can't see everything in the. We have to imagine each and every non-living thing have a feelings. So if you go near to the tree, what happens? It also feels, it seems. It also feels, it seems. Please, I am requesting you. Please don't chop me down. Please go from here. Just walk away. Yes, like that they are. It is requesting, it seems. So, not on the tree. Did you understand the two lines in the above? Yes. Now coming to the next two lines. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash. Throw it away. So, you can understand the tree feelings. Now, what about river? If river asks us not to dump in trash in her, so we should not, please, we have to throw it away. We should not dump in trash. So now air. If air could talk, what would say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. The air asks the factories to learn to keep smoke away. The air asks us, means if air could talk, what it responds? Each and every factories must learn to keep smoke away, it seems. Okay? If the animals could talk, what they say? What would they say? Help us to live, we wish to say. So, if the animals beg us to help them to live as they wish to stay, so if you want to go near to the animals, if you want to kill the animals, what happens? Here also, they also wishes. Please, we want to stay on the earth. Don't make us to exit from the earth. So, even earth also talks, it seems. If earth talks, what it responds? What it responds? Please, earth asks us to protect her by making every day earth day. Means earth also requests us, please maintain good protection. That is, everyone should maintain clean and green on the earth. So if you maintain clean and green on the earth also saves us. Yes. So in each and everything, earth also protects us. So it also requesting us to protect me by making every day as earth day. Not on. So that's why each and every non-living things have a feeling. So we have to understand and we have to maintain in that good manner. Okay? Yes. Did you understand, girls and boys, about the how to plant a tree? What are the usefuls of plant? Why we are going to plant a tree? Yes. And if a tree could talk, not only tree, if non-living things, each and every thing talk, what they think. Yes, what they think. And also what are the feelings of each and every non-living things. We have learnt. Yes, now you are understood about the feelings of each and every person. Yes, that's why, and we have learned why we are going to plant a tree also. Yes, so now you are ready to plant a tree, everyone, in front of your houses. Yes, we have to maintain and we have to plant a tree and we have to maintain in a good manner. Okay? Okay, Nana, try to read the lesson and I'm going to post a notes on this. Everyone copy in the class book. Okay? Thank you.